Hi, this is Madhusudan Rao. Welcome to our technical series related to Oracle Database 23i. In this video, we will show how to create an Oracle Apex workspace, run quick SQL and create an Oracle Apex application. It is assumed that you can log in to cloud.oracle.com and have already created an autonomous database instance. If not, please check my previous video on creating Oracle Autonomous Database 23i in this series. Now we can see that our database is active. Click on database action and you can see various navigation menu options there. Click on view all database action. In the top left navigation, you can once again see different various menu options. Click on Apex. Log in with the database administrative password. Click on sign into administration. Click on create workspace button. Since we already created database user, let us select existing schema. Select the user that we created. Provide the workspace name, workspace username and password. Click on create workspace. Now our workspace is ready. You can click on the workspace name in the top navigation, or you can just sign out from this page. Return to sign in page. Here provide the workspace name and the username and password that we have allocated. Click on sign in. So workspace is all set. We can start working on this one by creating applications. From the top navigation menu, click on SQL Workshop and SQL Commands. Here you can run any SQL commands. For example, we want to check the database version. Select star from $v version. And we can see that it is Oracle Database 23ai Enterprise Edition is installed. Click on run and find out the Apex release number. You can see that it is 24.1. Now let us see how we can quickly create an application using Quick SQL. Log into Oracle Apex and from the top navigation, select SQL Workshop and click on Quick SQL. Click on Help to view various options available here. You can also load a sample application. What we want to do now is create a master detail table with teacher and student relationship. The teacher table will have teacher name and date of joining. The students table will have student name and the marks in maths. Physics, chemistry and biology. If you observe that on the right side, it is creating table with by default varchar 2. So to make number, add NUM after the column name, so it will change it to number type. And you can define the varchar length by using VC2. And date of joining can be of type date. Let us also insert a couple of records. You can specify the number after the insert. Say I want to create 10 records here. And the student table will have 50 records. So within some 9 lines of code, proper tabs, we were able to generate SQL statement on the right side. If you want to expose a REST API, type in /rest. This will automatically create the REST API for that particular teachers table. Similarly, we can also expose the REST API from students table. On the right side, just review the SQL statement that has been automatically generated. Make any changes if you require. Click on review and run. Save the script. Provide the name for your script. I'm calling the script as teacher students. Click on run. Click on run now button. You can verify what has been created. From here, you can directly open the object browser. You can see the teachers table has been created, and also a dummy data has been inserted in both teachers and students table. So coming back to our Quick Start application, click on Create App. This will create an application using both the tables. So you can see the pages that it will create. You can change the appearance, say in this case, let us select Redwood theme, top navigation, and save. You can also change the icon here, theme. Click on save. If you want additional features, you can check them all, or you can ignore that. Provide the application name. Click on create application. What we see from here is we started from basic 10 lines of quick SQL code. From here we have completely auto-generated SQL script and then an application created from those tables. Now our application is ready. All the pages have been created. Or if you want, you can also create few more pages. Let us just run. You can see the login page. You can customize everything here by editing the page, but the one that you're seeing is the default page where you can see the list of teachers and the date of joining. If you want to change the date of joining, you can change and apply changes. You can see the list of students. If you want to make some changes here for student name and teacher name, you can. Remember, this is a master detail relationship. For every single teacher who might be a class teacher, there are multiple students. And you can see in the administration tab, a couple of other pages have been created by default. Let us now see how we can create a master detail page. In the application builder, click on create page. Out of the available templates, select master detail component. There are various layouts. We can select side by side. Provide the name for this page. Select master table. Click next. Select the primary key. Select the display column. And select the detail table, that is students table. Now this will generate the page. We can just save and run the page. Now on the left side you can see the teacher name, that is coming from master table, and date of joining, and on the right side you can see the students under a particular class teacher. We will duplicate the students table display there, and we want to basically create a chart. To do that, change this to chart type. Under source, we will select the table that we want to display in charts. That is students table. We just want to put one where condition here to show the students based on teacher ID. Always verify the query. Click OK. Save and run. Now we can see the charts being shown here. Basically the percentage of scores stored by each student. Now what we are showing is just the mathematics mark. So if you want to display say physics or chemistry or biology or some other subject, then you select physics in the label. Similarly, you can duplicate for chemistry and biology. Now once you run the page, on the right side you can see the marks of students based on teacher ID. You can see the student name and their respective marks in physics, chemistry, maths, biology. Now let us explore how to work with RESTful service. If you recall, in our quick SQL, while creating students and teachers table, we had REST enabled that. This you can see it under enabled objects. You can see the full URL. Authentication is set as no. Similarly, view the teachers object. Here also you can copy that REST URL or change the required authentication if it is required. You can see that it is mapping to a particular role. You can see various roles that are available for this REST services and different modules if you want to manually create them. The HR module comes by default as a sample application you can install. It's worth watching how the get, put and post methods work here. Like for example, if you click on the get method, you can see that it is taking input parameter as an ID for employees table, and there is a SQL query that is there in the source. You can copy paste the REST URL in the web browser like Firefox and see what is output it generates. Once we have a REST URL exposed, we can use it in various applications that we want to integrate with. Thank you and have a great day.